Hello, my name is Sergio Sullivan, and welcome to Iron Giant Fishing. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Iron Giant Fishing, and today I'm bringing you some Virginia Beach pier fishing, and this is something that I'm really excited to do. I've wanted to do this for many years. Finally getting the opportunity to do so, and I'm pumped. I'm ready to go. It's going to be a great experience and a great addition to the channel. For everybody, 2020 has been rough. I experienced a lot of loss in my personal life, and you know, it really is taking me out of the creative mode. I've had projects on the table that I want to bring to you, but you know, I haven't had like the will to finish them. I had one pretty much finished, and the files got corrupted, and so that just, you know, added to my displeasure. So now that it's like August something, like late August, I'm gonna try to really bring more and more quality projects and quality videos to the channel, and try to do that through the fall. Try to get at least 6-7 videos before it gets cold, and that's at least. I'm really excited for this, and yeah, let's just get to it. Sea, lake, and shore bloodworms. And so I dropped down one time, and already I had a few bites, but they seemed really small, so I had to change hook size. Sometimes you got to do that. You got to match what's down there. There's some life here. People is definitely catching fish. So that's all you do is put a little bit on the hook, just like that, just like this. Just feed it onto the hook one time. What you're doing with this type of fishing is you're looking for the pylons right there. You're dropping it right on top of the pylon. So what you're trying to do is anything that's holding on to structure, you put it right in their face and they're gonna eat it. I got a lot of pylons to work with. Also out there, of course, you'll find stuff, but you really want to go with your best bet, and that's fishing structure. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, be back with more. Immediately as it drops, I'm getting hit. Nothing big. Matter of fact, I think my bait's gone. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. My bait's gone. It's really fast right now, but they're very small. Using the smallest hook I have. I don't think I can get any smaller. These worms are so weird looking, but they work. I'm not here for very long. I'm just trying to do this as quickly as possible. Have fun. See what happens out here. Go home, have dinner. It's all catch and release today, so I'm not eating what I'm just throwing back whatever I get. There we go. Back down. Hopefully this time I get one. Just put it right in between pylons, see what happens. Oh, there we go. Ah, pinfish. Haven't caught one of these since Florida. That's always nice to see. I'm gonna need my dehooker for this one. They got small mouths. Oh, look how beautiful this fish is. Hold on, I gotta show you this. This pinfish is absolutely beautiful. Oh, he's already been caught before. Eyes destroyed.
fish. I'm back in the water. Really is some good fishing. Simple, fun, can't beat it. Oh, ooh, someone had a crab on. Already getting bit. Already getting bit as soon as you drop it. They're quick. Very quick. They're still your bait in a heartbeat. Yep. Just like that. Very fast fishing today. And tide is slowly coming in. That's why I love this area. It's like my second home. Ooh. This is something nicer. Oh, nice. Little jack. Looks like a little Jack Crevalle. That might be my first Jack Crevalle in my life. That's definitely that's definitely a Jack Crevalle. I'm very sorry. I did not mean to hurt you like that. What a beautiful fish. Please don't hurt me. If you want to go, you can go. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Jack Crevalle. Amazing. First one ever. Gotta love Virginia. And sadly it was so high I can't really give a safer release than that, but gotta go with what you gotta go with, you know? But that was really nice. That was cool. I wonder if there's bigger ones around. That'd be awesome. That would be so cool if I caught like a big Jack Crevalle. I might have some toys that I could play with. I doubt it though. That was nice. All right. You know, I'm just gonna keep this one going. Keep it rolling because it's so quick. Yeah, first Jack Crevalle ever. Thought I was gonna catch one in Florida, but I never got the chance to. That was a couple years ago, 3 years ago. I went to Florida, did some fishing, caught ladyfish, pinfish, grunt. Now I'm just gonna do is move it a little bit, see what happens. Just drag it back in. Oh, already. Oh, another one. I don't know what it is yet. Another pinfish. Yup. A little bigger than the last one. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna get that one on camera. I'm not gonna stop him, but yeah, another pinfish. Look at those colors. I don't know if you're getting it. There you go, buddy. You wanna go? You can go. I ain't gonna hold you here. No point. Too small to even eat. All right, be right back. It's beautiful temperature out. You know, you think you come to Virginia Beach in August, it'd be blazing, but actually, it's very comfortable. Nice. Very nice breeze, probably like 90. Bearable. Not humid at all. Please don't bite me. Please, for the love of God, don't bite me. I mean, do bite me. I'll probably get more views. Ooh. That's not from me, everybody. That's from the worm. Isn't that so nice? Pull a prank on somebody with that. We're gonna give this a better flip. catch a lot of things here. I remember one time I was here. Ooh, got him. Small. No, don't got him. But I still got my bait. I got him now? Yeah, oh, I do. I do, another pinfish. Gotta give these things like the super strike. Oh, another pinfish. Oh, well, I'm trying to save. Ow, ow, ow. Listen, I'm gonna try to save you. No, too late. Sorry. Just get back in there. I don't want anyone to see that. Look at the size of that worm. Jeez Louise. Ooh, already. I got one. Just dropped it down. Another pinfish. How do these actually make good aquarium fish? Hold on, little guy. Hold on. There you go. See? Nice and easy. These right here catch you. So pretty. I didn't even have time. Oh, you got another pinfish. I'm really having fun. This is a very nice, relaxing style of fishing. Oh, there it goes. Easy, quick release. The only one I want. Easy and quick. Oh, I'm still recording. I feel like squid would be a better option today, but I don't know if it's catching the same amount. Did I just lose my bait? It's so fast. It's so crazy. I'm gonna be out of here so soon. It's gonna be a quick video, but I'm gonna have so much content. Yeah, so that was very productive fishing, and had a lot of fun. Wild morning though. On the beach right before I started, they were trying to resuscitate a woman. It didn't look good. I hope for the best for that family. Then we got into fishing, and it was lock and load. Literally, as soon as it hit the water, your bait was gone. Like, you had to be so fast, and that's fun fishing. Don't get me wrong, that's really fun. But I just got here, now I'm leaving. What more can you ask for? Fun day, fun day. Yeah, so it's been a wild morning. It's been a very wild morning. But so once again, prayers out to the family of the woman who was being looked after by lifeguards and then EMTs. Best of luck to her. And if you like what you saw, by all means, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Hit that notification bell, you know, that whole thing. And I'll see you soon.